I'm John Aldred for DIYphotography.net, and we're here at the Cactus stand at the photography show with Dave Kite Piper to talk about the new Cactus RQ250 Strobe. So, hi Dave.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm
enjoying the show?
Yes, yeah, day 2, going well, it's all good. Yep,
Brilliant,
definitely.
brilliant. So tell us about the new Cactus RQ250.
In essence, this is the kind of big pumped up version of the original RF60 and RF60 X flashes. So this is the kind of traditional monoblock design, inbuilt lithium battery, 250 watts per second. Should be about 400 shots on a full battery, so 900 on half. The idea is it's going to be your all-round great portable light.
Brilliant. And this is compatible with the existing Cactus system?
Yep, it's all going to work the same. The menus are going to be all the same. It's all going to use the same V6 triggers, so the HSS is going to be implemented into this flash at some point. This is a very, very early working prototype version.
And this is the only one in the country at the moment?
This is the only one. This is the only one.
So we won't drop it.
Yeah, we have to be quite careful with it. But if I take it off the tripod, I can show you some of the cool features from it. As you can see, it is on a tripod at the minute. It's got a Swiss Arca plate on it, and I can take that off and then show you. Let me just finish unscrewing that. So in here, this is where all the magic happens. So that's your bare bulb design. So that's going to give you that really wide dispersion.
Yep.
One of the problems that I guess I have specifically as a speedlight user, the coverage that you get out of a traditional speedlight isn't necessarily that great. This is going to solve all of those problems and turn it on for many people. There you go. You've got your modelling light. I'm not going to point it in your face, but then that's the little lens which screws straight on top. So that's good to go straight out the can as you get it. And then there's going to be all of the S-type adapters that are going to fit on top. So and you've also got a magnetic front for sticking stuff on.
Right. So like snoots and gels and that kind of thing.
Yep. It's going to be compatible.
And this is this offers high-speed sync and TTL.
In the future, as Cactus have always done, there's always going to be updates that come, and so I guess all of that stuff is going to be implemented into this. As I mentioned before, this is kind of a very working first prototype.
So the Cactus trigger system, it's like the widest compatibility of all the brands out there because it supports Pentax and Sigma, which virtually nobody else does.
I'm going to try and list them, but yes, all. As always, Cactus are a company that are going to develop and bring to the table updates all the time. So if a specific feature isn't necessarily there at the minute, and I think it is because they've just had the Nikon firmware's there, and I think the Canon HSS TTL stuff's all about to drop soon. Everything will come in time. Cactus are relevant. Kind of a small company, so the time to get that production up and going, but there are people working very, very hard to get all this stuff out there.
Brilliant. So is there any idea on a release date for this yet?
In the future.
The future.
The future. Soon. It'll arrive in the future and it will cost money.
There you go. It'll be in the future and it'll cost money. Well, thank you very much, Dave.
Absolute pleasure.
It's been a pleasure.
Absolute pleasure.
I'm John Aldred. We're at the photography show. We're going to keep looking around and see what else we can see. We'll see you in the next video.
If you like some more cool movies, you can check out this one, and you can subscribe to us down here.